My savage and my savage and my savage. We back with another episode of that Moneymane. You already know, man. Y'all see the title. Y'all see the thumbnail. Before we go ahead and get into it, I need y'all to like, subscribe, and share. Spam that like button, man. Get my videos out, bro. Can I get 200,000 likes on this video, man? Ethereum spot ETF has been approved. Yes, we are finally at this point where Ethereum and Bitcoin have spot ETFs. Ethereum hasn't had they spot ETFs released yet, but we're going to get into it. So I need y'all to stay tuned and watch this whole video. Like, subscribe. So here we go, my savages. Now, I know I ain't been talking about Ethereum a lot, but I have talked about it in the past, man. But right now, hey, these lines I had drew a long time ago, just like my Bitcoin chart, bro. I had drew these long time ago. As you can see, the trend line was trending down. But like they say, when you get that news catalyst, everything can change. And boom, right here, news catalyst right here, man. Y'all already know it. Ethereum spot ETFs approved. They not released yet, but they just got approved. And you can see we bounced all the way back up to my first level right here. That was 3,729. And then we broke past it, but we still have not confirmed. We have not confirmed above it. That means we still have a possibility to go back down. And then y'all see the level that we might go back down to right here is 3,464. Just my chart. This is just my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just for entertainment purposes only. But right now, as y'all can see right here on this chart, we on the daily chart right here. Right here. This line is still touching my resistance line or support line, whichever way you want to say it right now, because it's above, it'll be support, but it was resistance. But now, if we get the next day candle, maybe in the next couple of days, and we confirm, then yeah, we're going to 4,000. We're going all the way back to 4,000. Now, we go past 4,000, then boom, sky is the limit. They predicting, we're going to get into a prediction, what coin prediction is predicting on Ethereum, but we might go to 6,500 all the way up to 10,000 like Stock Mo predicting Ethereum is. But like I said, man, this is just the chart right here that we had been looking at, and I had, like I said, I had drew these lines months ago, and it's been hitting trend line going down. We was in the downtrend all the way till we got to that point right here. As y'all can see, the low down here was like $2,822, and then Ethereum spot ETF approved, went up, boom, skyrocket. Now, with that being said, the SEC approved the rule 19B-4 forms for the 8 Ethereum ETF applications. And these are the ones that have been approved: BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, ARK Invest, Van Eek, Invesco, Galaxy, and Franklin Templeton. These are the only ones right now that have been approved by the SEC to have a Ethereum spot ETF. So anything else you might get might be a trust or a future contract. Now we're gonna take a look at one that Stockmo had been investing in, and you can too. It's a trust, Grayscale Trust ETF. That being said, they are predicting that these can be released to purchase July or August. They said they wanted to do it before November, because you know this is an election year. So they trying to get all this out. So July or August, stay tuned. Keep your ears alert. Keep your eyes alert on the exact day that they won't start releasing these Ethereum spot ETFs. July or August. That is the plan. The SEC saying they can release these where you can start purchasing them. Then I got my own opinion what's going to happen with Ethereum before then. Just my opinion, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. Like I just said, man, I got my own opinion, man. Shout out to Stockmo for doing this right here, man. Bread recipe. As y'all can see right here, Ethereum. This Ethereum right here, man. Spot ETF announced, boom, skyrocketed all the way up. It's in the over the Bollinger Band. Then we had to trade sideways. We're going to trade sideways for a couple more days and even months. But what I'm thinking, just my opinion, what I'm thinking is going to have the Ethereum, just like Bitcoin. Bitcoin pulled back. after it had got approved. Even after the next day, January 10th, they got approved. Next day, January 11th, you could buy a Bitcoin spot ETF. This time, Ethereum got approved, but the next day, it wasn't no Ethereum spot ETF that you could buy. Get what I'm saying? What I'm thinking is the big dogs, the hedge funds, the people up top making all these decisions and trying to manipulate the stock market and make the most money possible while we retail investors struggling trying to learn all this information. They're going to try to make Ethereum come down as low as possible so they can scoop up as much as possible before they release these spot Bitcoin, these spot Ethereum ETFs and get the bag. That's just my opinion, you know what I'm saying? But that's what I'm thinking what's going to happen. Like I told y'all about the spot Bitcoin ETF, man, I was telling y'all, man, they trying to manipulate it so they can get more money. Same thing, bro. That's why they not going to release it like they did the Bitcoin, because they got to accumulate the Ethereum. Everybody was focused on Bitcoin. The big people, big hedge funds, all them. That's what I'm talking about, not retail investors. Now, Ethereum is the second in line, so now they got to get their bag ready. So what they going to do? They don't want to buy it at 3,700. They want to buy it at 2,800, 2,500. You see what I'm saying? They want to buy it down there. So I'm thinking they're going to go, where you think they're going to go down to? Like I just told y'all, man, this right here, retracement, Fibonacci retracement. Like I said, we above the resistance. We broke past 3 resistances on the news of the Ethereum spot ETFs being approved. So down here, we was down here. We had hit the support of 2,889, and then we bounced all the way back up past 3,100, 3,300. Now we passed 3,600. So where you think this thing might come back down? Like I said, they want to buy it down here at 2,800. That's where they want to buy it at. So I'm thinking, just my opinion, that we're going to at least come back below 3,000 over these next couple months until the Ethereum spot ETFs, actually come out. Just my opinion. Not saying it's going to happen, not saying it will happen. Just saying. That's just the way the stock market been going, and the way what I've been learning is people don't want to buy way up here. These hedge funds, they don't want to buy way up here. They want to buy way down here, even at 2,200. But I don't think it's going to go that low. At least maybe close to 28, 2,900. It's going to be under 3,000 again. And then everybody going to be accumulating and stocking up before it runs up past 4,000. Now, what does coin price forecast predict? They predicted mid-year Bitcoin be at 3,977. That's July, right? By the end of the year, 5,767. That's 54% gain from today to the end of the year. 54% gain. Now down here, this is where it get a little tricky right here. The forecast tomorrow, near days and months. So like I said, let's just look at July and August. July and August, July 15th, they got it $4,123. August 15th, they got it $4,425. So they saying we're going to hit 4,000 July and August when these Ethereum ETFs get approved. Now, not approved, but released, where you can, retail investors and everybody else can buy the ETFs. Now, September, as you can see, if people starting to get in and starting to buy it, it's creeping up. But October and November, that's when you get the 5K. And then I'm thinking December, you're going to be all the way up to $6,500, even $7,000 by the end of the year in December, man. That's just my opinion, you know what I'm saying? But, hey, we don't know exactly what's going to happen. Don't nobody really know. I'm just speculating opinions based on what been going on and what I done learned and what I'm seeing. And I'm thinking the opposite of everybody else, because everybody thinking one thing gonna happen, then boom, next thing you know, another thing happens. I don't want to make it too long, man. We get, like I said, we got Grayscale Ethereum Trust. So now you can get into this and not actually have to be on a crypto exchange to get a piece of Ethereum right now. This has been out since 2017. But like I said, the ETF gonna be the same thing, but it's gonna be an ETF, not a trust. So the Grayscale Ethereum Trust is one of the first securities solely invested in derives value from the price of Ethereum that enables investors to gain exposure to ETH in the form of a security while holding the challenges of buying, storing, and safekeeping ETH directly. Shares based on ETH per share, as indicated below, are designed to track the ETH market price, less fees and expenses. Ethereum is a digital asset is created and transmitted through the operations of the peer-to-peer. Ethereum network is a decentralized network of computers that operates as cryptographic protocols. The Ethereum network allows people to exchange tokens of value called Ether, which are recorded on a public transaction ledger known as blockchain. That's for y'all that didn't know. So right now they have, where's it? They have under management, assets under management right now, $10.9 billion right now. People that investing in this, and it's probably gonna be even more. You know what I'm saying? It's probably gonna be even more, but who really knows? All depends on what you're trying to do. You know what I'm saying? But we'll take a deeper dive into this if y'all want me to. Leave a comment down below, man. Like, subscribe, and share, and tell your friends about that Moneymane. You already know.
My savages. Moneymane in the thing of a T and playing no games. Should I already know my name when I speak in CC Flame. Got my YouTube popping, man. Like, subscribing, everything in between. You already know. Moneymane. You already know.